What do you do with your shoes when you finish with them? For most people, the answer is simple. They just throw them away. In the UK last year, over 150 million pairs of shoes went to landfill. That is a statistic that just doesn't work for us at Lancs, and we're here to do our part to turn that around. We are beyond excited and extremely proud to welcome you to Re-Lanx, where we aim to keep the journey going. Whether that means repairing an old set of boots or refurbishing and handing over those boots to someone new, the goal is simple. Keep proper footwear in use and keep it out of landfill. All of our repairs and all of our refurbishments will take place right here in our factory in Whalley, Lancashire. Does your favourite pair need some TLC? Is there a pair at the back of the wardrobe you no longer want? Or do you fancy a pair that have got a good story? Re-Lanx. Keep the journey going.